Sunbelt Roof still here in Uptown. You can see kind of generation 1 structure, generation 2, generation 3. And as these roofs come together, they had no other way than to put a rolled roofing product to create a gutter. Looks like it pitches this way. Got kind of the same thing over there with a metal liner. And lots of challenges here, but nonetheless, we still got to figure out how to do a really durable, resilient roof for these folks. We'll get the solar panels out of the way and come and do what we got to do. Just wanted to give you another update with something very unique. I think it was well done out of necessity, but it's time for an upgrade. Until next time.